Let's listen and spell words with the letter B that says B, B, B. My first word today is the word bit. We are going to listen to our words on our chin first before we move to spelling them on our board. Parents and caregivers, hang out, participate with your child if you can. It will enhance your child's learning experience so much as you discuss with them what they're learning. And hang out to the very end as we're going to write a complete sentence. All right. My first word is bit. B-it. Blend it, bit. My next word is rub. R-a-b. Blend it, rub. 2 more words. My next word is lap. L-a-p. Blend it, lap. My last word is tub. T-a-b. Blend it, tub. Now we're going to get our board out. We're going to listen to our sounds inside our words and see how changing one sound can make a whole new word. My first word is bin. B-I-N. Bin. I heard the b at the beginning, and that's the sound that goes with the letter B. Bees have bellies. All right, so I make sure to have him walking the right way. Do you hear the in the middle? And that's the sound that goes with the short I. So I write the I in the middle. In. Did you hear that N at the end? That's the sound that goes with the letter N. So I write the N at the end. And something really fun about this word is I noticed that there's a little word inside the big word. We always want to start reading our words over here and go this way. But sometimes if we notice that there's a little word inside, we can use that to help us blend our words. So I see there's a b, and I see the little word in. B, in, bin, thumbs up. Let's try to change one sound and make a whole new word. I see that if I change the N and I make it a T, I have a new word. Let's go ahead and look at our word. I also notice I have a little word inside my big word. Let's take a look. B-it. Blend it, bit. Thumbs up. Let's try to change another sound and make a whole new word. What if I change this b to a p? That's the sound that goes with the letter P. That's correct. So I'm going to put a P at the beginning. Get out your reading finger. It. Blend it, pit. This time I'm not going to change a sound. I'm going to add a sound. That means I'm going to put one more sound, and this time I'm going to put it at the beginning to make one of our say and stir blend words. All right, I'm going to put a S at the beginning. Now I have a whole new word. I have this sp, say and stir, sp. And I do see a little word inside my big word. I see the little word it. Sp, it. Blend it, spit. Wow, that is so much fun writing and blending our first words. But guess what we can do when we can write and blend first words? We can write complete sentences. And complete sentences are a complete thought from our brain. They tell us who and what. And that is a complete sentence. So I'm going to get my board ready and let's listen to our complete sentence. Bob has a bat. Let's clap it. Bob has a bat. Let's tap it. Bob has a bat. Let's count how many words I have inside my sentence. Bob has a bat. There are 4 words inside my sentence. So I know that when I write my sentence, I always start over here and I go this way. So let's go ahead and remember that we start our sentences with an uppercase. But Bob is also a name, and we always write names of people and places with an uppercase. So that's 2 good reasons why we are going to start with an uppercase. All right, my first word is Bob. I hear a b, and I know it has to be an uppercase B. I hear the short O. Bob. Bob. Bees have bellies. There we go. And I almost forgot to bring Mr. Spaceman. We're going to put Mr. Spaceman between our words because we always put spaces between words inside a sentence. And Mr. Spaceman helps us to learn how to do that. Bob has. Has is a little word that has 3 letters in it. Has. And it actually has the little word as inside of it. Has. Bob has. Put a space between my next words. A. Now, I do not have room to write my next word, but that's okay because all I have to do is shoop. Go down to the next line. Bob has a shoop. Bat. Ooh, I hear a b. Now, it's not the beginning of my sentence now. It's still the same sentence. So I can use a lowercase b. I hear that short A. Bat. Bob has a bat. And I always put a period at the end. The period tells me to stop. Now, I'm going to use my cubes to do a check. That means I'm going to make sure that I used an uppercase at the beginning of my sentence with my green cube. Uppercase, check. And did I remember to use my punctuation at the end? In this case, it's a period. Did I remember the period at the end of my sentence to tell me to stop? Thumbs up, I certainly did. So I get out my red cube. Check. Now I'm going to circle the words inside my sentence. Let's make sure we have those 4 words. 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words. Bob has a bat. Great work. I've had so much fun writing first words with you, changing one sound and making a whole new word and writing a complete sentence. I'll see you next time when I teach to your super learning powers, one child at a time. Teddy Bear has so much fun in any kind of weather. See if you can guess what he does so you can play together. Teddy likes to play outside and it rhymes with hike. What do you think he wants to do? Teddy wants to bike. Teddy likes to play outside and it rhymes with fall. What do you think he wants to do? Teddy wants to play ball.